Good morning, everyone. So today's lesson is about division of rational expressions. So at the end of this video, you must be able to divide rational expressions. So to recall, rational expressions are expressions wherein the numerator is a polynomial and the denominator is a polynomial. So when we divide rational expressions, it's quite the same with dividing fractions. So recall that when we divide fractions, we get the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 3 over 7 divided by 24 over 49, that's the same with 3 over 7 multiplied by the reciprocal of 24 over 49, that is 49 over 24. So simplify that, that's 3 over 7. 49 is 7 times 7. 24 is 8 times 3. So I can cancel this 1. I can cancel this as 1. So that is being left with 1 times 1 times 7. That's 7. 1 times 8 times 1. That is 8. So this is the simplified form. For number 2, you have a to the fourth over 16b cubed multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 12b to the fifth over a squared. So simplifying that, when you expand a to the fourth, that is a times a times a times a. 16b to the third power is 4 times 4 times b times b times b multiplied by, since 12 is divisible by 4 and I use 4 for 16 as a factor, so I'm going to use 4 as well, so it would be easy for me to divide the common factor. So that's 4 times 3 times b times b times b times b over a times a. So this is 1. This is another 1. That's 1, 1, 1, and then 1. So I am being left in the numerator as a squared multiplied by 3b squared all over 1, or that is 3ab squared. You don't need to put 1 in the denominator because that is understood over 1. So we can use this concept in dividing rational expressions. So I'm going to have some working solutions here. So I'm going to divide, so that's 4a plus 12 over 3. You multiply it by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So when you get the reciprocal of a plus 3 over 9a, just switch the numerator and the denominator. That is going to be 9a over a plus 3. So I'm going to factor out 4a plus 12. That is 4a and then 12. So 4a is 4 times a. Factor 12 in such a way that one of the factor is 4. So 12 is divisible by 4. That is 4 times 3. Common factor is 4. And then bring out the rest of the terms that has no common factor. So a plus 3. So this is 4a plus 3 over 3. 9a can be factored out as 3 times 3 times a. So this is 3 times 3 times a over a plus 3. So I can divide this as 1. I can also divide this as 1. So which means I am being left with 4 times 3 times 1. It's 3a. So I'm gonna cancel this one as well. So I am being left there with 4 times 3 over 1 or 12. So 12 is the simplified form. I want you to try the problem or practice exercises number 1.